Welcome back to FTx Commerce training videos. We're going to go over the global delivery settings today. From the admin site under Settings and General, we're going to go to Delivery. From here, you can enable your delivery option. You can also toggle on a Come In Soon option to be displayed. And also type in a description for users to see when selecting this option. Next will be the confirmation code being required and the scan in driver's license or FTx identity QR code being required. This is for when the product is handed off to the consumer. With the confirmation code required checked on, a 4-digit code would be sent via email to the consumer during their order confirmation email. This code can also be accessed through their app in the order history. Next is slot booking required. With this toggled on, will allow the consumer to select the time frame of when they would like the order to be delivered. A Allow Rescheduling will now appear, allowing the consumer to reschedule their order. Next is Enable Tip option on checkout. With this enable, will allow you to predefine 4 suggested tip values. In the next section, we'll see who is delivering the order. The R team would be your employees that are making the deliveries. Your other option is for DoorDash. With the DoorDash option selected, we can integrate to your pre-configured DoorDash Drive account. With the R team option selected, you'll be able to select a radius by miles from your location or use a custom geofence. We'll go over those in a later training. You can also select a fixed fee dollar amount that will be applied to the order if the minimum order amount threshold is not met. You can also include the gift card amount by checking this box here. And in this section, we'll set up the slot closing by days, hours, and minutes. Essentially, this is putting a delay between when the order is placed to the time slot that the consumer can select. For instance, if the time is 9 a.m. and we have a 5-hour closing slot, the earliest time the consumer can select to be delivered would be 2 p.m. And that concludes this training video of the global delivery settings.